Hey everyone, today I will show you Roblox black screen problem in my Android. So I am provide 100% solution. So you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. So at first open Roblox. So look at when I'm open my Roblox, then I'm get feedback black screen. So I'm provide how can easily fix. Okay, so go out Roblox. At first open PlayStore. You go to search option, search at Roblox. At first check your update version. So I am already update my Roblox but not fix this problem. So go out, open settings, scroll down, click on to app management, app list, find here your Roblox. Okay, open my Roblox apps, click on to storage clear and all clear, and go back and try to open Roblox and sign in. Okay, now successfully fix this issue, but you get not fix, so you just uninstall your Roblox. You just uninstall your Roblox and then reinstall your Roblox, then you get fix this issue. I hope you can follow my three method, then you get 100% solution.